Hi, this is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. Welcome to my gear review. I'll be comparing a J bass and a P bass in this video. The J bass I'm using is a Suhr J bass, and the P bass is this one, the Lakland P. Now you might have already seen my Tele bass and P bass comparison video, in which case you'll probably already have the PDF of that groove. I'm going to play the same groove for these two basses. If you haven't got the PDF, then click the link in the description and I'll send that to you. So I'll be playing the J bass with both pickups all the way up first of all, and then I'll be playing it with the bridge pickup full and the neck pickup down, and then the other way round, so the neck pickup full and the bridge pickup down. And I'll be keeping the tone up full for all three takes. So my jazz bass has a John Suhr active preamp in it. I really love the preamp. You can get a real variety of sounds from it. Without the preamp you might get a more of a vintage sound, because this preamp, to me, it definitely adds a sort of modern sound to the bass. And so I'll be playing the P bass firstly with the tone up full and then the tone all the way down. So then you have 5 samples there. You can really compare the different sounds. So admittedly I'm not comparing a Fender J and a Fender P bass, but you'll get a good idea of the characteristics of the sound of both instruments, and you've got to work with what you got, really, haven't you? So there you are, that's my comparison of a J and a P bass. I'm really interested to see what bass you prefer, if any, what you think of the different sounds. Just so you know, I'm playing straight into Logic on my laptop through an Apogee Duet, which is an audio interface. I have made a video explaining how to get sound from your bass through a computer. There should be a link now up there, I think. So if you click on that, that'll give you more info about interfaces. I've got some suggestions there. I will just show you how to plug it in, etc. Well, to me, the J bass is much more versatile, but I do love the sound of a P. I mean, sometimes you just need that sound, that really focused mid sound. Obviously, it's great to have both basses, so you're covered in all situations. So check out my other video comparing a Tele bass and a P bass. Again, there should be a link in the right hand corner now. I've also got a bassline breakdown series and a bass beginner series, so check out all my other videos on there. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, then you'll be notified of each new video that I put up. And I put at least one video lesson a week every Friday, sometimes more. So my next video is going to be about how to read a chord chart. And that will be really useful to you if you've got gigs or rehearsals, so watch this space. Like the video if you found it useful and share it with anyone you think might like it. This is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. See you next week.